Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about making complaints vocabulary. Chip Bell, who is a keynote speaker and consultant and author, says that loyal customers, they don't just come back. They don't simply recommend you. They insist that their friends do business with you. That's what you are aiming when working or owning a restaurant or a hotel. Despite your best efforts, there's no way to please everyone, and that leads to the occasional customer complaint. Interestingly, only 14% of customers lodge complaint face-to-face at restaurants. Nearly 40% air their dissatisfaction on social media platforms and review sites. Whether you hear it firsthand or read it online, it doesn't change the fact that your restaurant will receive negative feedback from time to time. You also have a choice about how to use that feedback. It can make you bitter, or it can make you better. To help you manage common restaurant complaints and solutions, we are tackling 8 of the most prevalent gripes about food, service, and atmosphere. The common restaurant complaint list includes food and beverages served at incorrect temperatures, order mix-up, perceived poor value overpricing, rude service, long waits for sitting and service, inaccurate check calculation, untidiness, and poor positioning. When we talk about restaurant customer complaints about food, it means that food and beverages served at incorrect temperatures. Scalding hot entrees and tepid water are a few things high on the list of customer turnoff. Nearly 70% of survey respondents report getting temps wrong ruins their dining experience. Order mix-ups. During peak rush, or sometimes just a team member mind slip, serving the wrong entree or having something go missing from an order leaves a bad taste in the mouth of 62% of customers. Perceived poor value or overpricing. Pricing can be ticklish. As an operator, you take a number of factors into consideration to set price points. Customers approach pricing subjectively. If the food presentation or eating experience didn't live up to their expectations for whatever reason, value may be called into question. Restaurant customer complaints about service. Rude service. Customers are easily exasperated with servers who have a condescending tone, unkempt appearance, or indifferent attitude. The same holds true for servers who make customers feel rushed to finish or leave. Lurking around tables or clearing dishes before customers finish their meal isn't efficient. It is uncomfortable. Be careful. Long waits for sitting and service. If it takes forever to be seated or served, expect to hear about it from more than half of customers. Tables not ready for at least 15 minutes past reservation times, that grates on customers in equal measures. Inaccurate check calculation. Servers are humans and miscalculations can happen, although it's a much more rare occurrence with tabletop and POS technology. However, being presented with a check that has the wrong total gets 40% of customers upset. Restaurant customer complaints about atmosphere. We have two. We have untidiness, meaning that any perception of uncleanliness is unacceptable, especially given the heightened sensitivities around COVID-19. Dirty utensils on tables are the #1 customer complaint when it comes to untidiness, followed very closely by restaurant neatness and poor server hygiene or appearance. Establishing simple standard operation procedures tend to curtail problems. Or also we talk about poor positioning. Restaurant layouts that crowd tables together or perch diners in undesirable locations, like near a kitchen service door, is fodder for customer dissatisfaction. The general noise of table conversations and shuffling about of a lot of customers in a confined space only add to the frustration, and it will be a major concern as restaurants reopen under pandemic restrictions. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions, you can find me at lilian.molina@upaeb.mx. See you soon. Bye-bye.